Welcome to the zoo. Let's see the animals.
Hello, I am a tiger. Roar! Hello, I am an elephant.
Hello, I am a giraffe.
Hello, I am a monkey. Hello, I am a duck.
Hello, I am a crocodile.
Hello, I am a frog. Hello, I am a parrot. Hello, I am a snake. Hello, I am a cow.
Hello, I am a horse.
Hello, I am a goat.
Who is at the zoo? Who is at the zoo? Let's look around, let's see who's here. Tiger, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Who is at the zoo? Who is at the zoo? Let's look around, let's see who's here. Duck, quack, frog, ribbit, parrot, squawk, snake, hiss. At the zoo, animals say hello to you. Bye, 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 see you next time. Strategy rules, each animal name must be sung clear. Who is at the zoo? Who is at the zoo? Let's look around, let's see who's here. Tiger, elephant, giraffe, monkey. Who is at the zoo? Who is at the zoo? Let's look around, let's see who's here. Duck, quack, frog, ribbit, parrot, squawk, snake, hiss. At the zoo, animals say hello to you. Bye, 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 see you next time.
Good job. We saw many animals at the zoo. See you next time.